So when you buy this espresso machine, it comes with portafilter. So this one is for double shot. We also have for single shot. It comes with blind basket, inlet hose, and drain hose. We also have this cleaning powder and the espresso cup tray. So what's good about this espresso machine is it's very rare that the coffee machine will provide or give you an extra gasket. So it comes with large gasket and small rubber gasket. The manual is also provided. So that's the inclusion of this Kitsilano coffee machine. So now let's talk about the complete specification for this espresso machine. So it has a max power of 2000 watts. The boiler has 6 liters heat exchanger, a commercial Italian rotary pump, full body stainless steel coated, brewing pressure gauge, and PID control. So it has a programmable for 1 and 2 cups button, also has a timer and manual function. So later we will talk about that. And also it has a water or hot water knob, the 4-hole steam nozzle, and a large cup warmer. So this Kitsilano coffee machine has a 1-year warranty. Alright, so now let's look at this coffee machine. So later we will test making coffee and steaming the milk. So now here's the PID control. As you can see here, we have the single, double, and manual button. So if you look at it from here in this part, here is the running temperature indicator is being heated. So it only has 2 buttons, the top and the bottom. We can decrease and increase the temperature. So this is the single and double cup, both of which can be programmed. So the programming method is to press and hold these 2 scales at the same time. So if the light of this manual button here is flashing, then press which button you want to program. So if you want to program the single and this manual button is flashing, you can go and program this single button and double button. So